Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by finding the longest carbon chain that becomes your backbone. Once identified, number it and place substituents to minimize ambiguity. You should mark heteroatoms, O, N, halogens with element symbols. Do not draw their bonded hydrogens unless needed. Start sketching zigzag lines for the backbone, 120 degrees angles for sb2 where applicable, and straight single bonds for sb3. Make sure to position major functional groups on the correct numbered carbon, so the structure matches the name. Now add substituents and multiple bonds precisely where they belong. You attach methyl, ethyl, or other groups as short lines off the backbone. Once done, draw double and triple bonds with parallel lines and maintain planar geometry for sb2 centers. For heteroatoms, include lone pairs or formal charges if they affect connectivity. Make sure to place ring attachments and branch chains so the drawing remains unambiguous. When stereochemistry matters, include wedge and dash bonds to show configuration. To finish, perform a quick audit. Count carbons and heteroatoms, check valence and formal charges, and confirm that multiple bonds and resonance are represented correctly. You should ensure stereochemistry is shown for chiral centers using wedges/dashes and double-check cis/trans on alkenes. Once satisfied, erase construction lines and refine bond angles for clarity. If something looks wrong, compare to molecular formula. A mismatch usually signals a missing bond or misnumbered substituent. Fix that and recheck connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.